Many people think the ketogenic diet is a quick fix, a temporary plunge into a world of bacon and butter. But that's where the misconception lies. The keto diet, when done right, can be a powerful tool for lasting health and weight management. Forget the image of greasy spoons and endless slabs of meat. Think vibrant vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins that satisfy your taste buds and support your well-being. This isn't about a fad diet. It's about embracing a lifestyle change that prioritizes whole foods and nourishes your body from the inside out. Let's explore how you can thrive, not just survive, on a long-term keto plan. Transitioning to a ketogenic lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. Let's dive into a sample meal plan that showcases the delicious possibilities of long-term keto scrambled eggs with spinach and a side of avocado slices. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil dressing. Baked salmon with roasted broccoli and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Keto smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, spinach, protein powder, and chia seeds. Leftover salmon with a side of cauliflower rice. Ground beef stir-fry with bell peppers, onions, and a sugar-free teriyaki sauce. 2 hard-boiled eggs with a side of sliced bell peppers. Let's face it, sticking to any dietary change can be challenging. However, with a few practical strategies, staying keto doesn't have to feel like an uphill battle. Plan ahead. Spend some time each week prepping meals and snacks. Having keto-friendly options readily available will prevent impulsive, non-keto choices. Read labels. Become a detective in the grocery store. Scrutinize nutrition labels and ingredient lists, paying close attention to hidden sugars. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your best friend on keto. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's natural processes. Embrace healthy fats. Don't shy away from healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, consistency is key. Section 4. Keto Plate. Power. Mastering macros for sustainable results. Understanding the importance of macronutrients is crucial for long-term success on keto. By striking the right balance of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, you'll provide your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. Fats. Aim for approximately 70 to 75% of your daily calories from healthy fats. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Protein. Consume around 20 to 25% of your calories from protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and cheese. Carbohydrates. Limit your carbohydrate intake to roughly 5 to 10% of your daily calories. Section 5. Keto Creations. Delicious ideas from dawn to dusk. Breaking free from the monotony of boring meals is easy on keto. Here are some additional meal ideas to tantalize your taste buds. Breakfast, coconut chia seed pudding. Combine chia seeds, unsweetened coconut milk, vanilla extract, and a touch of sweetener. Refrigerate overnight for a creamy and satisfying breakfast. Keto pancakes. Whip up a batch of pancakes using almond flour, coconut flour, eggs, and a touch of sweetener. Top with berries and sugar-free syrup. Lunch zucchini noodles with pesto and chicken. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and sauté with pesto sauce and grilled chicken for a light and flavorful lunch. Cauliflower rice bowls. Create a customizable bowl with cauliflower rice as the base. Add your favorite protein, veggies, and a dollop of guacamole or sour cream. Dinner, keto pizza. Use a cauliflower crust or portobello mushrooms as the base for a delicious and satisfying pizza. Section 6. Conquering cravings. Staying motivated on your keto journey. Let's be real. Cravings are a natural part of life, even on keto. The key is to have strategies in place to navigate them without derailing your progress. Identify triggers. Pay attention to what triggers your cravings. Is it stress, boredom, or specific times of day? Once you know your triggers, you can find healthier ways to cope. Keto-friendly alternatives. Explore keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite treats. Dark chocolate, sugar-free desserts, and low-carb snacks can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Find support. Connect with others who are on a similar journey. Section 7. Reaping the rewards. Long-term benefits of a keto lifestyle. Embracing a ketogenic lifestyle extends far beyond weight loss. Improved blood sugar control. By reducing carbohydrate intake, keto can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Increased energy levels. When your body relies on ketones for fuel, you may experience sustained energy levels throughout the day. without the sugar crashes. Enhanced cognitive function. Some studies suggest that keto may improve cognitive function, memory, and focus.